Hello, Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. Have you tried using the role management feature on Ginee? This feature is used to provide your staff certain access to the Ginee dashboard. Let's now start with the tutorial on role management. The purpose of creating roles is to provide certain access for your staff. For example, you only provided order management access to one of your staff because he is the one handling the fulfillment of your orders. With this feature, he will only have access to order management when using the Ginee dashboard. There are only 2 steps to use this feature. The first step is to create a role or access that will be given to your staff. Just go to the settings menu, then select Role Management. Once you have been directed to this page, click Add Role. Now, you can fill in the details of the role you will create, starting with the role name and description. Then, you can proceed with selecting the certain permissions you will grant for this specific role. Just tick the box of the permissions you want to select. Once you're done, click Submit. Once you have created the role, the next thing you need to do is to create a staff account. Go to the settings menu again, then select Staff Management. Once you have been directed to this page, click Add Staff. You will be asked to fill in some information. To start, you can fill in the email address your staff will use to log into Ginee. Remember that you don't need to put here your official email address, since Ginee has its own domain which is at geneestaff.com. Then enter the password for that staff account, as well as the staff name and number. You can also set shop permissions per staff. Your staff will only be able to access the stores you will select. You can also provide access for your staff on a marketplace channel level. You can select the marketplace channel in the New Store Authorization Automatic Apply section here. You can select multiple marketplace channels. Once done, if a new store from your selected marketplace channel has been integrated to your Ginee dashboard, your staff will automatically have access to it. Once you're done filling in the required details, hover over the Roles section. Select among the roles you previously created in Role Management. You can double-check the access you provided to your staff in the Existing Permission section. Click Submit if everything is filled in correctly. After that, you can check in this section whether your staff account is active or not. Once it's active, your staff can now use the account to log in to the Ginee dashboard. Yes, Gineers, you can also change the password of your staff account. On this page, click Edit and you can change here the staff name, shop permissions, and rules. Aside from that, you can also deactivate your staff account by turning off the ERP account status here. If you want to delete your staff account, click the Delete button here found at the lower part of the page. Once you're done, click Submit. If a staff account has been deleted, you can still add it again using the same Ginee account email address. It's just that you can't edit the mobile number that was previously set. You can only change the staff name, shop permissions, and rules. If you want to change the password of your staff account, you can do that by clicking the Change Password button. Input the latest password and click OK. Done! Your password will be changed. Very easy, right, Gineers? Manage your staff account easier with Ginee. Ready, set, Ginee!